Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about how we can set multiple background images. Okay, how we can set multiple background images onto our website. That's the topic. Let's start. Now you can see this is your editor. Now moving forward, I would like to show you the output, that what output I want to generate. Okay, this is the output which I want to generate. Now you can see we have a background image as this one. Okay, the main background is this one, and after that I just place 4 images at the upper left corner, at the upper you can say right corner, and the bottom left and the bottom right corner. Okay, now this is the output which I want to generate. Okay, now you can see within the head tag we will achieve this with the help of CSS properties. Okay, you know this is the by default structure of your HTML. Okay, before closing the head tag, I would like to include the style tag, and whatever you will write over here, that will be your CSS properties. Okay, now what I want is I want to set the properties of the body tag. Okay, just give the reference of that particular body tag, and within the curly braces just define the properties what I want to set. Okay, now within the body I want to set a background, multiple backgrounds. Then you have to give a property that is background colon URL, that is uniform resource locator. Okay, background colon, that is URL uniform resource locator, and name of the image which I want to set. I want to set an image that I placed within this particular folder, images1. This is my name of the folder where I place the image. Okay, slash, and name the image which I want to show. I say 1.gif. This is the name of the image. Now if I try to see the output, save it, I just save the file with this name, that is background underscore images, within this particular folder. Background, just look for that particular file, that is background images. Okay, if I just click on that particular file, okay, and show this onto any of the browser, you can see this is the background. Now you can see it is coming all over the browser, all over the body of the web page, but I want to put it over here only. It means I have to set some more properties for that. For that you have to do, that is no hyphen repeat, so that it should not repeat in X and Y axis. See, save it and just refresh it. You can see your image is here. By default your first image will appear at the top left corner, Okay, now I want to put some image over here at the top right corner. Then what I have to do, just put comma and again use URL and name the image. I say images1 is the name of the folder, slash, and which I want to place, that is 2.gif. This is the name of the file which I placed in this particular folder only. Okay, now you can see where I want to place it. I want to place it over here, that is top right corner. Okay, just place that top and right. Okay, this is the direction, and I don't want to repeat it. By default your background images will repeat in X and Y axis. Okay, but I don't want to repeat this. I want that this image should come only once. That means then you have to mention this particular property, that is no hyphen repeat. It will come only once at the top right corner. Okay, just save it and just try to refresh it. You can see your image is there. Okay, now I want to place one image over here at the bottom of the screen or the bottom of the web page, that is bottom left corner, this one. Again give comma URL, within the brackets just mention the name of the folder which where I place the images, slash, and name of the image. And I want that this image I want to place, that is 2.gif. Okay, and again what direction I would like, that is bottom, that is left, and with the help of no repeat. It means your third image, that is 2.gif, will come over the bottom left corner and with only one time, that is no repeat. Okay, it will not repeat in X and Y axis. See, refresh it. Okay, you can see. Okay, now you can see your image is not coming. You see at the top it is coming. Why so? I have just placed the properties, but your third image is not appearing. Why so? Because your body tag is empty, means we don't have any content within the body tag. Okay, it means to show all the body elements, all the body images, I have to write some content. No, it's not mandatory. I just mention one more property of the body, that is height. I say 100, that is VH, that is vertical height. Okay, it means height will appear in 100%, that is vertical height. It means whenever you refresh, you can see your third image will appear at the bottom of the screen, of the bottom of the browser, that is your bottom left corner. Okay, now I want to place an image over here, I want to place this image over here. Then what you have to do, within this just put again comma URL. Okay, within the bracket I say images 1 slash name of the image. I want to choose this image 1.gif. This is the name of the image which I want to place, and its direction, that is bottom right I want, and with the help of no repeat property. It means it will also come only one time. See, save it and refresh it. You can see this is coming over here. Now I have placed all four images in all four directions. This is up to your own requirement, that how many background image you want to set. You want to set 10 images, place it anywhere. See, it's not mandatory that you have to put this particular directions over here. You can set the percentage over here also, pixels here also, as per your own requirement. Okay, now after placing all these four images in all four directions, I want to place a main image, a main background that will cover all the body of the web page. For that purpose, again put comma over here, use URL, and I give the name of the folder slash name that image which I want to put all over the body, that is back hyphen image, and .jpg is the extension for this particular image. Okay, now you can see if I try to save it and refresh it, you can see the entire image will fill your body background. Okay, this is up to your own requirement, that what type of property you want to set. You want to repeat, you want to no repeat. This is purely on your requirement. Okay, so this is your topic, that is using multiple background images onto your web page with the help of this simply background property of your CSS. Okay, and whatever content you want to write, just write within the body of the tag. Okay, this is the topic. Okay, if you are liking my videos and concept of learning, okay, of yourself, okay, just kindly like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you everyone.